हेलो गाइस, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं हम तैयार हो चुके हैं हमारे फर्स्ट ईयर के जो हमारे जूनियर्स हैं उनके फ्रेशर्स के लिए।
तेरी पटारी कुड़ी तू प्यारी मेरी पटारी तेरे नाल लड़ी यारी नी पागला तू कट तेरे में नी पागला तू कट तेरे में you back to the way I've been back 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 साथ तेरा मंगदा नी गल करनो संगदा नी नहीं तेरी लगदा नी झूठा जिहा गंगदा नहीं गबरू तेरे पीछे गल्लां कर रहे ने देखी दिलां दे लारे ने दवाने जलते तारे ने हुंदा ना संग कन्ने नैन ते सैन में उड़दे रहने कन्ने जिथे देखा तू दिसदे बलके बने कन्ने नैन ते याद गहरी है इतनी दिल डूब जाए और आंखों में ये हम नंबर जाए लूं मैं भूल जावानी दस दे कितना तेन समझावानी अब तू छड़ दे जो है तेरे नाम नखरे क्यों कर दिया मैनू जचदा नहीं इन्ना सवाल कर दिया ना मैं सुनदा नहीं और दस कितनी चलदी है
love to scroll social media and I love to explore haunted spaces.
Thank you. Please, audience, clap. I request Dr. Rohini Dua ma'am to ask the question to a student.
Welcome to MDC. My dear, my question to you is, who and what influenced your choice of profession?
I think it's been my Bhaiya because she has been doctor. In my family, I belong to a family of doctors. As I have seen them, it motivated me from my very early age to become one, to save lives and to see happy faces. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
My name is Akashdeep Singh Sandhu. I am from Taran Sahib. Hello everyone, my name is Akashdeep Singh Sandhu. I am from Taran Sahib. My hobby is off-roading the tracks.
Thank you. Now I request Dr. Anu Girdhar ma'am to ask the student a question.
Hello, Akashdeep.
Hello, ma'am.
My question to you is, if you have to describe yourself in 3 words, what will be those 3 words?
Passionate, obedient, loyal.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Now, batch number 56, come forward and introduce yourself.
A very good morning to one and all present here. I am Manat Kaur Patel. I come from Chandigarh and I am a very proud student of BDS first year, which has been a dream ever since my childhood. When it comes to my hobbies, I love reading, I'm into sports, I play basketball as you all have seen, I play volleyball, badminton, I've also learned horse riding and golfing. I've taken part in multiple public speaking contests, debate competitions, and I've also taken part in a lot of opportunities which have been posed to me coming from an army background. And I'm a person who truly believes that we should be grateful to God for each and every day and cherish each and every second and build memories. Thank you.
I request Dr. Gulpika ma'am to put forward your question for the student.
Congratulations, Mannat, for being selected in the first 6 girl students. So my question to you is that what was the first thing you liked about National Dental College and Hospital the moment you stepped in as a student?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. This is quite an interesting question for me. Is it a bit cliche if I say chairman, sir? But no, I have visited this college ever since my childhood. I've made countless visits. But now that I enter as a student, I truly realize the contrast between those earlier visits and my experience now. I've come to appreciate the values this college shows, like discipline, dedication, hard work. Like we have to be in class at 8:30, especially on Wednesdays because it's Rashmi ma'am's class, or else we're not allowed to enter the class. Coming from an army background, I have come to appreciate these values. And now, if it comes to my personal experience, one thing that I'm very proud of is how far this college actually has come. From an idea that my grandfather had one night to now me studying in this college, I am truly very proud to be a part of this institution, and I'm an extremely proud granddaughter of that man sitting right there. So yes, I've come to appreciate the values and the canteen samosas. Thank you.
Very well answered, Mannat. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
My name is Sunami. I love reading mangas, novels, and books. That's where I'm here, and that's all.
Welcome to MDC. My dear, my question to you is, ever since you've joined MDC, which personality has influenced you the most and why?
Dr. Rashmi ma'am.
That's very true. That's very true. Thank you. Batch number 61.
Hello everyone, my name is Mayank. I am from Mansa and my hobbies are playing sports and I am also an artist.
Right. Congratulations to you for being selected. Alright, the question for you is, if you are given a chance to move abroad, will you and why?
I think I will move because my parents also suggest me to move to Australia after completing my degree as it can be a good way to start my life.
Batch number 18.
A very good morning to one and all present here. My name is Ria and I'm a BDS first year student of the prestigious National Dental College and Hospital. And I thank all the esteemed judges to give me an opportunity to be in the second round. And talking about my hobbies, I have lately been like a gym freak in the last 1 year, and I have always been into like dancing and singing and co-curricular activities. I try to take part in almost everything, and I think I should be proud of my confidence, which I do like it. And thankfully, I am the CR of my class, which I'm very proud of, and I choose to represent my class in every way possible. Thank you.
Hello, seeing your personality, I have chosen a question for you. You must have heard the word beauty with brains. So, what do you think? Is it important to have beauty if you have good brains?
That is a very good question, ma'am. Thank you for that. And I would like to say that beauty just defines and it enhances one's personality. It is not a very necessary thing that if one is very intelligent, he or she can like come forward with that. Anyhow, it doesn't depend if that person is beautiful or not. They should feel beautiful from inside. It doesn't depend on the outside, like what one perceives of them. It is all on the inside. If you think you're beautiful, you should be confident enough. And the brains do it all. It doesn't even change anything if you're not beautiful on the outside. Who even defines that? You should feel confident on the inside, and it's just all that matters. Thank you.
I like the answer.
Thank you. Batch number 50. Come forward.
Hi everyone, my name is Karthik Khetrapal and I am from Chandigarh. I'm very passionate about long distance running and I love to play guitar. Thank you.
Congratulations to you.
My pleasure.
Shortlisted.
Yes.
Alright, the question for you is, if you are given a chance to represent your batch, right, and put forward a proposal on behalf of your batch
Yes, ma'am.
to principal sir, what proposal would be that?
Amazing question. I will be humble and moreover I will approach in a very lenient and humble way. And more probably I will correct my personality onwards. Thank you.
Thank you. The last student with batch number 90, step forward and give a brief intro.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Sia and basically I'm from a very small town, Mukeria, जिसका किसी ने भी शायद नाम भी नहीं सुना होगा, जहाँ like studying ऐसे बड़े से कॉलेज में जैसे ऐसे कॉलेज में पढ़ना है and all that वो थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है. But just because of my mom, I'm living this dream and I'm very very grateful to everyone present here that I'm getting this chance to study this esteemed college. Thank you.
Welcome to NDC, my dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
My question to you is, what are your dreams after you complete your professional degree from NBC?
Okay. My dream is to become a good person with a wealthy mindset because as I have seen so far, like a person who's rich, a person who's good by heart and has a good degree can have a very good future. Because जहाँ तक मैंने देखा है सिर्फ PDS करके आगे कोई स्कोप नहीं है. I really want to pursue my MBS and then I want to become a doctor so that I can help people. Thank you.
Thank you. That's a good answer.
Department of Prosthodontics Crown and Bridgework, Dr. Sugandha, Dr. Nikita, Department of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics, Dr. Manish, Dr. Kunal, Dr. Ashma, Dr. Sarika, Dr. Nimrat, Dr. Sonali,
क्योंकि आपकी ऐसे ही है ना, आपकी तो ऐसे है तो खाली खाली
Dr. Imti, Dr. Saloni, and Dr. Tanya. Dr. Preeti, Dr. Deepika, and Dr. Zarina. Oral and maxillofacial surgery, Dr. Danish, Dr. Geeta, Dr. Akansha,